So we have. So I have my snack bar here. So this is our snack bar. So we will try different snacks. Now I will try the circle. This is so yummy. It's so yummy. It tastes like coconut. Yeah. It tastes like coconut. I love coconut. It's so yummy, guys. Now let's turn to here. So let's rate. I will rate that 7/10. I will rate that 8/10. So next. Next is our most part. I'm so excited for this part, right, Jaden? Wait, stop. Let's do a challenge. No. You can bend it like that. This is Coca-Cola Strips gummy, right? Yeah. I rated 9/10. I rated 9/10. I will rate this 8/10. Candy bar. Let's eat this for a while. I'm done now. Here. No, it's yours. Yours. Then, wait. Can you stop? No. Next, we will try this coconut looking. So this is actually like pretty similar product like coconut, but this is like hard. No, we have to share. Share. May harap ka pa dyan sa lamisa.